So we have to glaze it while it is hot. And my little brush here, guys, not so wonderful, but you know, it can work. It can work, guys. See there? Ooh, look at the sheen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, we all know that Easter is around the corner. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my Easter bun. So guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients, what I'm going to use for this bun recipe. So guys, here I have 1 tablespoon of molasses. I have 1/4 cup of honey. I have 1 tablespoon of browning. Here I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and I add 1/2 teaspoon of almond in it. I have 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. Guys, you can use any jam of your choice. I have 3 teaspoons of butter here, and this is my dragon stout, guys. You can either use Guinness or Malta if you so desire. And here I have a cup of sugar, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use a full cup. I might just use 3/4 cups of sugar because I don't want it too sweet, guys. And here I have a egg over here. I burst it, I take it from the shell, and I take out the eye from it. And I have 1/2 teaspoon of grated lime rind. And here is my pan, which you know, I started to grease it, not finish. So guys, what we are going to do now, we are going to just put all these wet ingredients away from the egg to we are going to put them on the stove top just to warm. So I'm going to pour my Guinness in here. My dragon rather, sorry. 1 butter. And I'm going to pour my butter. I'm going to add my butter here. And I am going to add the jam. Not the vanilla, not yet. I'm going to add the browning. We're going to put all these on the stove top to warm. We're going to add our molasses here. I want to get out everything out of it, guys. Every ounce of the molasses. I'm going to add the honey. 1/4 cup of honey. I want to get everything in it, guys. Everything. Coming back to scrape out these. And I'm going to add the sugar. So we are going to set this on top of the stove top now, guys, and we're going to stir until our sugar dissolves. So we're going to stir this now, guys, until the sugar dissolves, the jam is melted, and the butter. We are not boiling it, guys. So after this is melted, I'll just come after the butter is melted, and I'll just show you all the dry ingredients. And this have to be properly cool before we add it to our dry. Wow guys, and smell the dragon. Wow. See guys, butter is melting. Sugar is almost not feeling any sugar grain down there. So guys, I'm going to turn off the heat now, so butter can finish melt in this warm liquid. And this have to cool first guys before we add it to the dry ingredients. So guys, now that we put all our liquid together, we don't put it away from the vanilla. We don't put the vanilla in there. Right now here, I have the egg right here. Here's my egg guys. So I'm going to beat up my egg. I have one egg. I'm going to put in my lime zest. Then use either lemon or lime or orange just to get the rawness. Rawness from the egg guys. I'm going to set this aside. So guys, here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've already sifted it. I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder. We are going to sift that. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. Here I have a teaspoon of salt. We are going to add it to our dry. My 2 teaspoons of nutmeg right here. 2 teaspoons of nutmeg right there. I have half teaspoon of mixed spice, and I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So we're going to put everything there. And we are going to sift. We're going to sift now guys. So after we sift this, we are going to, guys, see how important it is to sift before you start, before you add anything, before you add the dry ingredients. It's best if you sift. So we're going to combine all of this together now to make sure that all the spices are distributed in the flour and the baking powder. As some part don't get some and some don't, some part get and some don't get. We have to ensure that we distribute everything. Okay guys, alright. So we're going to set that aside. So guys, here I have, this is a cup of fruits, and this raisin, it was soaking, so I just take it from it. This is the raisin that I have soaking for Christmas cake, so I just take a cup from it. But guys, what I want to say to you, if you want to have your mixed peel and your chopped cherries, then you'd had half a cup of chopped cherries, half a cup of chopped peels, and half a cup of raisins. So in all, you'd have a cup and a half. All 3 of them would make up to a cup and a half. But because I don't like the mixed peel, so I don't have it. This is just some raisins and cherries. And here I have some cherry chopped cherries here, what I am going to use for decoration. And guys, here is the liquid. It have to cool. See here guys, look at it. Have to cool guys, have to cool. Wow, still warm. And guys, we have to taste our thing to see if it's sweet enough. Wow. Guys, I don't want no more sugar in this at all because I don't like it when it's too sweet. But if you want to, the correct measurement is a cup. The correct measurement, guys, for you to add to your liquid is a cup. So you can go ahead and add your full cup. It depends on you. And guys, all these will be listed in the description box down below. So guys, I soon come back as I have to wait until this is cool. So I soon be back. Okay guys, I am back. So here is it's already cool. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour in my vanilla right here along with the almond. I'm going to pour in the egg. Guys, please do put your oven, preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this bun is going to take an hour to bake, or until you test it with a cake tester or a knife and it comes out clean. So I'm going to pour it in this dish because we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So here is our dry. And add all of it one time, guys. Not going to add the I'm not going to add the raisins as yet. Guys, I hope you are seeing everything in this pan because the pan is sort of deep. We're going to do this until we don't see no flour. Ensure that all the flour lumps are out. See here, guys? And the fruits, it's having a little wine in it, so I'm going to put everything in there. You guys, so we can add our, you guys, we can taste our butter, you know, and always taste our butter. So I'm going to do that now. Guys, it all depends on you. If you want it sweet, you can add your full cup of sugar. But so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to fold in my raisins. See here, guys. Got it, guys. See it? See here, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour it in the prepared pan. And guys, what you can do, you can prepare your pan ahead of time. You grease your loaf pan and you put it down. So this is it now, guys. See it? Look at it, guys. So we're going to put this in our baking pan right here. look now guys, I'm going to pour it in our grease pan. And guys, if your oven stay like mine, please to monitor your oven. And my oven burn things, so anything I had I put in there, I have to monitor it, guys. So guys, I'm going to get rid of all the air bubbles now. And we're going to add our pieces of cherries, what we have here. See here guys. So we're going to decorate with our cherries. Guys, it all depends on how you want yours. You can do it the way you like it, the way you love it. See there guys. Right guys, that's it. So we're going to our oven now guys. We're going to our oven, which is here. See here guys. So we are going to put in this bad boy. See here guys, in the oven. So we're going to close on. See guys. It's in the oven. Close him down now. Guys, that's how my oven make a lot of noise. When you're going in and when you're closing it. So alright guys. Guys, as soon as this is finished, I will come back. So what we're going to do when you come back, we're going to put glaze together. Okay guys, this is the bun. It's not finished, but I just want to show you what it looks like while it's baking. It's not finished baking as yet guys. And guys, you see the color of it. If you want your bun to be a little bit dark on the darker side, you can add 2 tablespoons of browning. As soon as our bun is finished baking, I will come right back. Okay guys, I am going to take out the bun now from the oven. I just tested it and it is ready. See it here guys. I use my knife. See it here guys. Comes out clean. So we are going to move it from the oven. And we are going to rest it up here because guys, it is well hot right now. In the meanwhile, we are going to make a glaze for it. And here I have about a teaspoon of butter, some honey, and the same strawberry jam. So we are going to stir this until everything is dissolved. See here guys. So I am going to use this now to glaze our bun. I'm going to pour it into this bowl here. I'm going to use this now to glaze the bun, guys. So we have to glaze it while it is hot. And my little piece of brush here, guys, not so wonderful, but you know, it can work. It can work, guys. See there? Ooh, look at the sheen. See it, guys? Look how lovely it's look. And guys, it's looking. And guys, when we want to know, see your cake, when we're baking, you see the bun is pulling from the side of the pan. See it? So then we know that it is ready. Yes, guys, a little piece of brush is doing the job. Yummy! Yummy! I'm putting every bit on it. Yes, guys, see we bun here, our homemade Easter bun. You know, and sometimes we, you know, instead of buying so much for our bun, guys, especially when it comes on to Easter, we have to pay so much for our bun. What we can do, you know, we can buy the things them little. When it coming on to Easter, we can buy the ingredients them little, and then we have them to make our Easter bun for our family, our homemade Easter bun for our family. Yes, guys. So guys, this thing have to cool, guys. I can't cut it yet, and I can't take it out of the pan as yet because it will break up. I want everything on it, guys, every bit I'm putting on it. Just look at the bun, guys, what we bake today. You and I bake it, guys. We all do this together. See there, guys. So guys, I am going to allow this to cool, and after it's cool, after it finish cooling, guys, I'll come back and we'll cut it. Okay, guys, I am back, and I think this bun is cool now, so we're going to take it from the pan and we're going to cut it and show you what it looks like, guys. So here is it, guys. Here is it. I'm going to take it from the pan now. Guys, my hands have already washed my hands before. So, see there, guys. Look at it. I'm going to put it in this plate now. Made from scratch, guys. So, taking my time, guys, because I don't want here, guys. Oh, look at our bun, guys. Look how lovely it look at it, guys. Oh my word. Oh my word. I'm wondering if this plate is too small. Look at it, guys. Look at our bun. How lovely it is looking. Look at it, guys. You can see the fruits all over. Very moist. Very moist, guys. So guys, we know that bun goes along with cheese. We know that bun goes along with cheese, guys. So here you have it, guys. Here you have it. Our homemade bun. You can give this recipe a try and let me know how it comes out on your end. Yes guys, see it there? Look at it guys. Look at the bun. Look at it guys. Very moist. See it you guys? Very moist. Very moist. And you know we have our bun with cheese. So guys, this is our homemade Easter bun. Instead of going and buy one from the store guys, we can make one for our family. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me guys. Guys, please remember to share and like and subscribe to my channel to help my channel to grow. Those of you who are supporting me, you are so much appreciated. I love you so much. Guys, stay blessed, stay safe. God bless you all.